She got them lights under there. Let's take on this one. This. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This yours?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
I feel so defeated, I feel so defeated. Niggas throwing slick shots, but they ain't completed. I touchdown like right past that goal line, no fumbling. Got something to say it clear, boy, no mumbling. I feel so defeated, I feel so defeated. Niggas throwing slick shots, but they ain't completed. I touchdown like right past that goal line, no fumbling. Got something to say it clear, boy, no mumbling. Every day is Christmas, it's a blessing for your presence. You be getting out of order, disrespectful peasant. Blowing on that presidential in my whip with them presidential tents. Bumping Future, yeah, we bout to get lit.
Turn up.
She don't like the way I treat a nigga, but I bet she like the way I eat a nigga. I keep it real, you keep it secrets, nigga. I heard that song, it was the weakest, nigga.
What's up, guys? This your boy VP, and I'm back with another video. Man, we out here at the car show, the all females car show. We early. They got music playing, but let me intro my video. But yeah, it's your boy VP. Hit that like, comment, share, subscribe. We out here supporting the females, man. We at the all female car show. It's gonna be a lot of B-roll because they got music playing, but yeah, we outside. Statue of Liberty stands tall. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Meet again. He said she cheerlead for the rain. nasty. That's nasty. God. Color nasty. Woo! Yo. Y'all see this? Yo. Y'all see this? Am I tripping? Them bitches dope. Yeah. I need to see how tall she is driving this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Am I fly? Well, thank you, ho. You telling me that shit as if I didn't know. Am I fly? Well, thank you, ho. You telling me that shit as if I didn't know. Fucking with that Mr. Sky High. Shout out to J Star. Can't fuck with me. Coco. Am I fly? Well, thank you, ho. You telling me that shit as if I didn't know. Am I real? Oh, you think that too? Real squad, yeah, that's the crew. You fuck with Polo? Well, that's what's up. Me and my niggas just try and get them bugs. Am I fly? Well, thank you, ho. You telling me that shit as if I didn't know.
My man's got the chopper, no motorcycle. Nah, don't fuck with me, bruh, cause I'm psycho. Never had a problem bustin' that rifle. Niggas want me dead like they did Michael. Treat them like Tina, yeah, I you. I ain't bullshitting, that's that shit that you do. I'm the type to make the impossible possible. And them bitches, I got a lot, dude. Real recognize real in my field. You don't want the beef, just chill. Find your ass somewhere kill. Deep in the woods in Cherry Hill. Yeah, them dopes I got on till. Man, you wish you had a pair. Had to change up my image. Why you think I cut the hair? She just wanna take a picture. Why you think she stopped and stared? Not trying to just be big in my city. I'm trying to be big everywhere. Don't talk about it, just be about it. Well, I like to do both. I'm all about my bread. Butter toast, I need a loaf. I fucked this nigga up because he fucked my shoes up. Ran across my feet, so me and my team beat. Smoke till I pass out. Bitches with they ass out. Walk past niggas on the street, they like, yo, I got that grass out. Man, who gives a fuck? I'm trying to get my bucks up. Talk slick about me or the crew, you getting fucked up. Come on, little nigga, and get to what we showed up, poloed up. Man, it's time for you put your hoes up.
Am I fly? Well, thank you, ho. You telling me that shit as if I didn't know. Am I real? Oh, you think that too? Real squad, yeah, that's the crew. You fuck with Polo? Well, that's what's up. Me and my niggas just try and get them bugs. Am I fly? Well, thank you, ho. You telling me that shit as if I didn't know.
Real squad entertainment. Trippy.
Don't make no goddamn sense. This that be more shit. Some niggas say fuck a chick, they just try and get rich. On Green Mount, where they bustin' niggas' heads. Make the wrong move, boy, and you'll be dead. Oh no, don't get scared. All we do is party hard and get money even harder. I'm too proper, you can't stop us, boy. I wouldn't even bother. On my squad with that nigga that rap and sing and shit and kill beats. Oh, you about to take over this bitch? Yeah, we know. Roll that dro, gone and toast, nigga. Let's go to the top. She's a pro with that slop. Yeah, you know. Oh, that's that be more shit. Them bitches stay in them clips, and if you play that chick, you'll win that game. Real shit. Trust me, bro, I wouldn't lie. Niggas wouldn't snitch cause they got too much pride. I know whoever did this knew they better hide, but they done killed the wrong one, so now it's time to ride. Niggas in the club acting real wild. Bad bitches smoking loud. Tell them turn the volume down. That's that be more shit. Niggas try and get rich. They ain't worrying about a chick. They just serving them bricks. Niggas in the club acting real wild. Bad bitches smoking loud. Tell them turn the volume down. That's that be more shit. Man, I stay with my clique. And we stay on the strip. we ain't taking no shit. Shout out the west side, but I'm starting with the east, where the women be freaks. With the mouthpiece, they're beasts. One time for zone 6, one time for zone 18. Shouts out the Harford Road. Down the hill, niggas get cream. One time for Bel Air Road, one for Latrell Project. Shouts out to Chapel Hill. Them niggas know they the best. I'm about my money, man. That's why that tat on my chest. And every day I'm fly, so every day I flex. Yeah, you see me. Tell your bitch stop being greedy. You can have her back, bruh. She no longer needs me. If you in the wrong hood, I hope you eat your Wheaties. Cause I'ma come, you gon' have to run, you won't see me. Every day niggas die on a daily. Bitches thirsty for money, so they try to have your baby. Niggas don't want no work, they too damn lazy. You killing niggas over weed, that shit crazy. Niggas in the club acting real wild. Bad bitches smoking loud. Tell them turn the volume down. That's that B-more shit. Niggas try and get rich. They ain't worrying about a chick. They just serving them bricks. Niggas in the club acting real wild. Bad bitches smoking loud. Tell them turn the volume down. That's that B-more shit. Man, I stay with my
them lights under there.
Stay on the strip. We ain't taking no shit. Yo, girl love my music, I know she my next fan. Smoke like I'm a dealer, or is it I'm stressed, man? I ain't never trippin', boy, cause I'm good. Just make sure when they play this in the club, you rep your hood. Fuck that YSL, I just rock that Ralph Lauren. Check your local listings, coming to a city near you torn. Boy, you ain't no thug, I ain't gotta sell no drugs. I just give your bitch hugs, and she give me the bread that you gave her. Yeah, I'm real, bitch. This that beat more shit. And that real squad music. Don't confuse it. My niggas rolling like 4 tires. Y'all ain't got it, y'all hoes liars. Yeah, I'm on my tip. Feel like I'm the king, call me Messiah. I'm all about the money. Pockets, they ain't tiny though. White people don't say it's bling, they say that shit shiny, bro. We out the park tonight. Yeah, we bout to pop off. Bad bitch with her top off. She gon' top me off till I drop off. Niggas in the club acting real wild. Bad bitches smoking loud. Tell them turn the volume down. That's that B-more shit. Niggas try and get rich. They ain't worrying about a chick. They just serving them bricks. Niggas in the club acting real wild. Bad bitches smoking loud. Tell them turn the volume down. That's that B-more shit. Man, I stay with my clique. And we stay on the strip. We ain't taking no shit. She say she like this beat, so I'ma kill it. Got it right here, baby. Okay, check me out, son. Okay, I'm getting here like a snapback. Over east where I be at. And I be so fly, ready for pictures like Kodak. After you done frontin', girl, let me hit that front to back. Her ass fat, she got trap stacked, that pussy tight, just like clamps. I'm powered up, just like a ant. Real squad be my cat. Post a rock on my swisher. That's how my blunt get that. Making love to a rap song. She say that she into that. Well, I like to beat it to a slow song. That rap shit, I bended that. Beat this shit like bubble guts. Kush it tastes like bubble gum. That chopper is my bitch. I finger fuck it and make it come. Shots out to my brother Nick. On the beats, that boy is sick. I amp the clip, your blood drip. I'm getting it just like tip. 10 shots of rock to the face. Got me toe up. Feel like I'm in the gang, cause all I can do is throw up.
All engines off.
You know it's polo, and I stay poloed up. still spilling drink in the club like it's nothing. I'ma buy 50 bottles, that's in the discussion. Way too gone. Fuck was I doing? Must have been drunk. Look at that bitch I was pursuing. She came here with you, but your bitch leaving with me. I'm about to throw it deep, call me RG3. And she gon' catch with 2 hands, call her Megatron. Yeah, I'm a heartbreaker, that's why that tat is on my arm. Polo big horse leather, it cost $680. And I wear it with a shirt that say fuck you pay me. Yellow Fanta, yellow dopes, yellow hat, and the shit's a low. Always clean, nigga, I don't need no mop and blow. Hanging out the window while my man swear the whip. Murder got the clip on top, case these niggas trip. She say she like this beat, so I killed it twice. But after I kill shit, ain't no coming back to life. She say this shit feel like
Squad.
I know, right?
J-Star.
Squad music addictive, huh?
Shots out.
Paul.
Real. Squad.
I just left a lot, brand new whip, got paper tags.
Swag.
Now I'm headed out the mall to grab a couple bags.
Swag.
Y'all niggas ain't ballin', y'all using cars, we using cash.
Swag.
Polo down, head to toe. Now nigga, that's swag. These hoes be acting up, and these niggas be letting them. Always stay with the best, and don't next where I got it from. I'm real bitch, and I quote that. Magic moments like Kodak. Or the drifters, y'all bitches, y'all don't say shit, y'all whisper. Shots to booze in my nigga. Bitch, that what they calling me. That's what they call me, G. That what they calling me. That's what they call me, G. Hold up, 2 cups filled up, about to put these on me. These haters keep on buzzing cause they bees be on me. That fly guy, my swag tight, kill any beat, my flow nice, my cash right, 2890s, putting on, somebody sign me. Don't miss this jet ho, I'm about to take off, yeah, I'm a boss. Don't get ducked off, I'ma buy that shit, don't care the cost. I was told that I had talent, and I could go far, they proud of me. They wanna see me make it and become a star. Okay, I got you, won't let you down, won't let you drown. They smiling when I'm not around, but when I come, them haters frown, and I laugh at them bitch ass niggas. I'm just trying to get rich, nigga. Bumping meat, wrecked up shorty. VP, that's what they call me. That's what they calling me. That's what they call me, G. That's what they calling me. That's what they call me. Yeah. Shit addictive, huh? Oh, y'all want more. Alright, fuck. Fatality, straight finish that. His face where the bottom of my tennis at. These boys rats, they wearing wires. They ain't y'all raps, y'all boys liars. And shots out to that squad. Star Can Rocky, got a Coco. Mills, Murder, Krista J, Boozy, and She Row. Squad. Yeah, man, that's the squad right there. Them niggas crazy. I don't know what the fuck they missing, dog.
Son?
What's up, bro? Oh yeah. Got the underglows. Where you get it done at?
DTR.
Okay.
In Clinton, Maryland.
Oh, Dream to Reality.
Yeah,
I know them. Yeah, I know them.
The young boys.
Yeah.
They just came back from Vegas. I had my truck over there.
See that top black? Black top. Who this? I need to slide back to back with this.